Greetings friends, Namaste. In this lesson we will learn Tadasana. Tadasana is a classic yoga pose. At first it seems simple and perhaps even boring and useless, but its correct understanding will reveal to you the secrets of most of other asanas. Put your feet together, the big toes of both feet should touch. Raise the rest of your fingers above and straighten them, slightly spreading your fingers apart from each other. Press them to the floor. Now we will slightly reduce our deflection in the lower back. To do this, rotate the pelvis, point the tailbone down as if you want to tuck your tail. Push the back of your head up but drop your chin down. The neck should become a little longer. Spread the shoulders wider. Hands go straight down to the floor. Do not take the wrist away from the body. Point your fingers to the floor. Look at one point. It will slow down the mind. When the mind is calm, you can better understand the position of your body. Breathe into the upper body. Expand your chest as you inhale. We will stand in Tadasana for a little over a minute. Try to straighten your body. Straighten your legs, arms, spine, neck, fingers. Keep your shoulders slightly wider. Expand your core. Take a deep breath and exhale. Relax. Let's sit on the mat. Now we will warm up our hip joints. Put your feet together. Take them with your hands. Move your knees up and down. Now a static version of Baddha Konasana. Holding on to your feet, straighten your head up. At the same time, pull your knees towards the floor. Breathe deeply and slowly. Next we will practice Sukhasana. Grab a pillow and sit comfortably. If you feel comfortable sitting without a pillow, just sit on the mat, legs crossed. As always, stretch the back of your head up, tilt your head slightly, breathing into lower body. When the body is not stressed, breathing through the stomach is enough for us. Relax your face. Relax your neck. Relax your trapezoid. Relax your shoulders. Relax your hands. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. Relax your back. Relax your pelvis. Relax your legs. Take a deep breath. Exhale, open your eyes. This concludes our lesson. Practice this lesson several times. I suggest you to do each lesson 5 times a week, Monday through Friday. Rest on Saturday and Sunday, and next week practice the next class of our yoga start.